Hi friends, this is a video review of a nice little interesting product that we've just come across and thought we should share it with you guys. This is basically a laptop stand, notebook riser to be precise, and it comes in two variants. The one on the right is for notebooks starting from say around 8.9 inches to 13 inches, 12 inches, and the one on the left, the big one, is basically for notebooks from say around 13.3 14 inches up to say 17 inches to 19 inches. So we have a stack of notebooks which we are going to test this notebook riser on, and as you can see, this is a pretty handy product. You can just slid it inside your laptop bag and you can unpack it anywhere. So let's just start with the small one, which suits fine with as it is mentioned here, 8.9 inches to 12.9 inches netbooks. So this is smaller and it is pretty easy to carry around in your bag. Let's unpack this thing. So as you can see, there are these two small button kind of thing here. You just need to press. Once you press it hard, it opens up just like a small geometry box which we used to carry around in our school days. And these two stands just come out. Now you just need to connect this part, the left and the right part. There are these holders inside which will hold on to this particular steel metallic stand. As you can see, this is the way it forms once opened. Now let's make a netbook sit on it. So it's fine, and as you can see, very sturdy. I'm working also, it's very sturdy. It gives a very good elevation and real good ergonomics for working. And because the laptop rises to a certain height, as you can see here, this is the way it looks on the sideways. It gives real good room for the laptop to dissipate the heat. Basically, the heat is basically generated from the behind or the back side of the laptop, and if there is good amount of ventilation here, automatically the heating issue is taken care of. So as you can see here, this is risen to a quite, it's not adjustable. This is the one and the only height that you can put it onto, and this is absolutely perfect and good for using it. As you can see, looks very neat, and this is the way it looks like from the sideways. You can place 8.9 inches to say around 12.9 inches netbooks on this particular mini notebook riser. Now let's just have a look at the big one that we have got here. Let's just pack this thing back. So we've packed it and it goes back into the. Let's take the big one. As you can see, it has got the same two small pinhole kind of buttons here. You just need to press them and this thing entirely opens up. Alright, and you need to fix this stand 1 and the stand 2 in the position that it is to be, and need to place it here. Let's place it. This is a 14 inches notebook that you're seeing, notebook, laptop, whatever you're comfortable with, and sits absolutely fine with this thing. As you can see, this is the way it looks from the sideways. Gives it real good elevation for working also, as well as this good amount of space between the base and the laptop, so that there's good amount of ventilation between the two. Laptop always remains cool because of this angle here. Okay, let's place a 15 inches notebook now on this thing. As you can see, this is a 15.6 inches notebook. We've placed it onto this particular thing. Beautiful. As you can see, the elevation is so good, and the workability becomes so easy typing on this thing because of the rise that this notebook rise that the laptop stand gives you. It becomes very, very easy for you to work or type or do stuff with your laptop here. Alright, so let's just take a... So this is the 7 inches notebook, the DV9000 HP Pavilion, that we are going to put this thing on, and beauty, man. This is real beautiful. As you can see, sits absolutely fine on this particular stand, and even the working wise, it's very, very sturdy. It does not fall out as such or get pressed on the thing. Very easy to work around with. Absolutely fine, man. This is the angle it gets. This is a must-have for all guys who are having laptops for gaming and high-end 3D designing, because that generates a lot of heat, and your laptop needs to be ventilated on the base here. So it's a must-have. This is the way it looks from the behind. You can just open it anywhere, wherever you want to, and start using this straight away. So this, my friends, was the notebook riser which we've reviewed today, the small one and the big one. Hope you guys like the video and the product, because this is something new and it's not available anyways as such. So if you guys want it, do let me know. It's priced at around 400 rupees only, the big one, and the small one is priced at around 385 Indian rupees. Throwaway prices actually for the kind of product and compatibility that it gives. Thanks a lot for watching. Do let me know if you have any comments.